You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this ski resort in France, very popular in Savoie. For more names from French, if you want to learn a little bit French and different places in the area, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, because we can learn a lot together. Val Thorens is how it's said in French, okay? Val Thorens, TH, don't worry about the H, it's silent as it always is in French. Now the S at the end, in this case, is not silent, so it's not Thorens, Thorens. I know it's a bit of an exception, like the ENS is normally pronounced en in French, but in this case it's Val Thorens, Val Thorens. In English you can say it as Val Thorens, Val Thorens. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.